This video is really fun. Yeah, it's a video of putting you in outer space, I guess. Yeah, it's fun. No, it isn't. It's boring. No, it isn't. It's fun. Yeah, it's fun. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video, before I start that, I hope you guys are having a relaxing day or a wonderful day today. So today in this video, we'll just be watching the news. Look at this turn on by itself. Sometimes the news turns on by itself, but we usually turn it off ourselves. Let's just turn on the news. It was, what? I don't want to turn off the news. I don't want to turn on the news. Oh, I don't like the news. I hate the news. It's so boring. There's people talking all the time. I like this show. Don't turn it on. I want to watch it. No news. No news. No news. I'm hungry. I want a cookie. Mia, we still have to turn on the news just in case. We want to see what's going on today. I want to see what's going on today. News is so boring. I hate the news. They're so boring. I hate news. I don't want to watch the news. Can somebody give me a cookie, please? I just want a cookie. I don't want the news. I don't like the news. Let's just watch the news, okay? No, I don't like the news. My show. We'll watch your show after, okay? Let's just watch the news. I'm not watching. I'm getting out of here. Okay, I'm getting out. I'm getting out of here. I'm not watching it. I'm getting out. Yeah, I'm not. I'm just gonna play with. I'm gonna play with Kitty. Hey, lovely. What's going on today? Okay, now there's only 4 members watching the news, I guess. I just want a cookie. Can anybody give me a cookie? I just want cookies. I just want cookies, please. Hello, everybody that are watching the news right now. So, there will be a storm. There will be a snowstorm soon. So, the lights may turn off. So, just stay safe at your house. I hope you guys are safe all in your house. Beware of the snowstorm. What? A snowstorm? That is coming soon? How much food do we have right now? We have to cook soon. Come on. Oh, we have to go to the mall. We have to go to the mall now. A snowstorm? What's that? I don't want a snowstorm. I just want cookies. What? A snowstorm? I can't believe there's going to be a snowstorm here. It'll be so scary. I should charge my iPad soon. Come on, iPad, let's get you charged. A snowstorm? I can't believe there's going to be a snowstorm. I have to go to my room. Come on. A snowstorm? Come on, let's... we have to get to the mall soon. Come on. Mom, I just want a cookie. Not right now, Cleo. Sorry, not right now. We have a bit of a problem. We need to get to the mall quick before the snowstorm happens. So, oh yeah, we'll just take the bus because yeah, everything's free, so we'll take the bus. Yeah, we'll just take the bus. It will be much faster, I guess, than walking. But we have to get there quick. So, but I just want a cookie. I just want a cookie. Not right now, sweetheart. If you want a cookie, ask your dad. Okay, I have to get the kids. I have to get the kids. Come on. Mia. Mia, what are you doing? And don't touch Lovely, okay? She kind of have a little bit of fleas. We'll wash her soon, but not right now. Not right now. We have to hurry up. Come on, come on. Let's go to the mall. Oh, David, Cleo, I guess, and Daisy will stay at home. Maybe organizing some things and charging electronics just in case. And you and me, we just have to get to the mall right now. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Oh wait. David, you look after Cleo. Alright, I'll look after Cleo. I'm gonna take Mia with me to go to the stores. Alright, we have to go quick. Come on. We have to reach the bus. We have to reach the bus before it goes. I hope we're right on time before the bus goes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, Mommy, I see a car. A car. We don't have to worry about that right now. I have to get to the bus. Oh, let's wait for the bus here. Come on, bus. We have to go right now. The bus is here. Come on, let's go. Alright, we're here. Come on, let's go sit in somewhere. I know this is a school bus, but we would go tell the bus driver where we want to go after we go to school. So, yeah. Yeah, Daisy's not going to school today. I'm not sure if she could handle on school day. So, we have to go now. The view is pretty nice here. Alright, we're here. Come on, let's go. Wait. Actually, I forgot. Oh, look at all those houses. They look pretty cute. There's some cute houses here. And yeah, we made it. Now let's go. Let's get some more now. Alright, I guess we're here. Let's go now. I guess just grab this. Yeah, I'm gonna grab that. Nah, come on, let's go. You're gonna help me. I'm not gonna get this thing. Okay. We'll need some rice. Okay, some rice. We are gonna make some pasta, I guess. So we need two pasta. Two pasta, you say? Yep. I guess that's all in this section. Ooh, ice cream. We don't need ice cream, okay? We need a snowstorm, and you might get sick during the snowstorm. I don't want that to happen. So just hold the card, okay? Good Lord, don't. Okay, I'll hold it. Tomatoes, I guess, for the sauce. Okay, one tomato and some lettuce and some potatoes and this. Good job. Now, come on, let's keep going. Oh, we also need some eggs. Now it's coming. I guess I'll go. There's some customers. She didn't let me get any. Well, hello there. How may I help you? Hello. There is a snowstorm, so we would like. There's a snowstorm, so we'll need some bread, I guess. Sure. I'll just pack some of this bread in here. Actually, it's alright. It's okay. Mom, Daddy, please have that sweet for just me. I guess because you've been a good girl. I guess because you've been a good girl today, so yay! I'm gonna bake this. Okay, Mommy, finished. Now, come on, let's go. We need some more food. We'll need some more of this meat, I guess, to fry it up. We won't be needing anything more here. So, I guess we're finished. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're here. Let's check out. So, how do you check out? Just gonna put this. And this. And this. And this. The meat. This. 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 Some more meat. And this. Alright, everything's good. How much? It'll be $21. Wait, what did you just say? I guess I hear you right. $21. Seriously? Well, Well, I guess maybe it's because how much food I ordered, or it's the price going up. But I'm just gonna put everything into this bag and go. Alright, everything's wrapped up. Now let's go home. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go get a cookie by myself. Oh, a cookie. This is good. I'm gonna get more. And more. It's good. I'm gonna be done with it. Maybe I won't do it. I'm gonna go over here and eat the cookie. Whoa. I fell. Whatever. No. This is good. That's really good. Alright, my iPad's charged. Now. What? How you get those cookies? You can't even reach them. Did Dad get them for you? No, I didn't reach them. How did you reach them? I just did. Cookie. It's so good. How you reach those cookies? Don't eat the whole thing, okay? Well, at least give me some. No, I'm not giving you any. No cookies for you. You're a big bag. Did you just call me a big bag? Yeah, but I don't care. All these cookies are mine. It's so good. Yum. I'm gonna eat it. It's good. Listen, you little brat. Don't just get cookies and get away with it. I'm putting these cookies away. You think you can just take them away from me? Oh, I'm putting them away. Let's see how you will get them now. He thinks he can outsmart me. Hey! I want to get them. He thinks he can outsmart me. Well, no. I think you'll get them. I'm gonna get them. I still got them. Wait, what? Did you just see? I can get them. No, it isn't that. Did you just stand up? What are you talking about? Did you just stand up? How you do that? You don't know how to stand up. Wait a minute. I stood up. I learned how to walk and stand up at the same time. Yes, you did it. Yes, you did it, Cleo. Cleo, you did it. You stand up all by yourself. Really? Yay! I'm gonna go. I stand up by myself. Come on. I'm just gonna get the thing out, I guess. Did the lights just turn off? Yeah, they did. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna call Mom. Mom, you have to come quick. The lights just turned off. What? Did you just say the lights turned off? Yes, they did. Come home, Mom. I'm coming home now, sweetheart. Okay. Come on, we've got this first aid kit. Well, I guess it's not really a first aid kit, but it will help us. So we've got this and some just if we fall, I guess. Oh, we'll put the light there, right here, I guess. There, that lightened up the room a bit, I guess. Dad, I'm still scared. What? We came home. Oh my gosh, the lights just turned off. What? It's so scary! It's alright. Come on. Let's just put this here and let me just get this down. Okay, wait a minute. Cleo, did you just stand up? Yeah, Mommy. Good job, Cleo. Good job. I'm so happy for you. Thank you, Mommy. No problem. Yeah, you're right. Come on. I'm just gonna add the food. Here we go. Ayla. Mia. Okay. That's good. Now it's gonna add the food. Okay, that's finished. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to see more videos, press the subscribe button. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. Oh, look, they turned off. All right. Bye. Bye. Yay, they turned on. Okay. Can't wait to say bye, okay? All right.